In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So the first thing we want to do is to go open our Facebook application. So from here, we should see a marketplace here in the tabs on the upper side of our screen. But in my case, I don't have the marketplace section here. So if it is missing or not showing, let's fix this. So what we want to do is to go tap on our profile icon here and go tap on the gear icon, which is our settings. Now from here, we want to search for navigation bar or shortcut bar. So from here, we can see the navigation bar setting. So what we want to do is tap the customize the bar. So from here, as you can see, in our hidden shortcuts, the marketplace is hidden. What we want to do is to either pin it or set this as automatically. But if you want to the marketplace to always show in the upper side of your shortcut, what you want to do is to go pin it. So let's see. So we want to restart our Facebook application. So now the marketplace is now on our Facebook shortcuts. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.